Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.1 question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Suppose this is a rectangular plot. Suppose this is a rectangular plot. Right here the length is given as 22 meter. 22 meter. And you have to find the breadth of the rectangle. An area is also given, that is 440 meter square. 440 meter square. Right? We know that area of a rectangle area of a rectangle area of a rectangle area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Right? Therefore, according to the question, length is given 22 meter. Therefore, length into breadth, length into breadth, length into breadth is equal to area of the rectangle, and the area of the rectangle is 440 meter square. 440. Right? Here length is given as 22 meter. Therefore, length is 22. If we put breadth as b, that is 22 into b is equal to 440. 440. Or you can write b is equal to 440 divided by 22. 22 1 is 22. 22 2 is 44. 0. That is breadth is equal to 20 meter. 20 meter. Right? Therefore, breadth of the rectangular plot. Therefore, the breadth of the rectangular plot breadth of the rectangular plot is 20 meter. Is 20 meter. Right? Next question is find its perimeter. We know that perimeter of a rectangle perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Therefore, we can write here as 2 into length is 22 meter. 22 plus breadth is 20. That is in meter. Or you can write it here as 2 into, that is 242 meter. If we multiply it, we will get 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8, 84 meter. Right? Therefore, find its perimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle is perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 84 meter. 84 meter. Right? This is the solution of the question number 3 of exercise 11.1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.